Have you ever encountered a problem that looks simple but tests your ability to think about indices and constraints? In today's video, we're solving LeetCode 219 contains duplicate 2, a popular interview question that combines array with a logical thinking. Let's dive in. So here we are given an integer array nums and an integer k. Determine whether there exist two distinct indices I and j such that nums of I equals to nums of j and abs I minus j greater than equals to k. Return true if such a pair exists, otherwise return false. Let's understand better with an example. So here we are given nums 1, 2, 3, 1 and the output k is equals to 3 and output is true. So the value 1 appears twice, first at index 0 then at index 3. Distance between indices 3 minus 0 equals to 3. The answer is true. Before jumping into optimization, let's think about the most natural solution. What if we simply compare every pair of elements? For each element, look at all elements after it. Check whether the values are equal. If they are equal, verify that the distance between their indices is at most k. The moment we find a valid pair, we return true. If we finish checking all the pairs and don't find one, we return false. So we'll use two nested loops. The outer loop picks the first element, the inner loop checks every element after it. If both conditions are satisfied, return true. Otherwise, continue searching. If no valid pair exists, return false. Now let's walk through the code. Basically, this is the inner loop. If nums of I equals to nums of j and abs I minus j greater than equals to k, we return true. Otherwise, we return false. So now let's dry run the code. So basically we are given, let's understand with case 1, we are given nums 1, 2, 3, 1. So step 1, first pick I is equals to 0. Nums of I equals to 1. Compare with j equals to 1. But 1 does not equals to 2. Not valid. Compare with j is equals to 2. 1 does not equals to 3. Still not valid. Compare with j is equals to 3. 1 equals to 1. Now check the distance. ABS 3 minus 0 equals to 3. 3 is greater than equals to k. We have found valid pair, so we return true. This brute force solution is easy to understand and a great starting point for interview. Well, it may not be the most efficient solution. Mastering the brute force approach helps you build the intuition needed for more optimized solution. That was all for today. Thank you.